into the Universal gift shop because there is a lot of stuff in here that I need. We've got the annual pass, so we will get the additional discount on what we get. But check out some of this merchandise. They got some really cool stuff. That's hilarious. That t-shirt is $35. The mug is $19. How do you like that one, Gary?
I like it a lot. You see how it fits in my hand.
Well, tell me.
It's not too bad.
All right.
I'm really picky on the handles on those things. But
yeah, he's a coffee mug snob.
Inside too, so. Very nice. Very nice.
Very cool. The robes are $125, and of course they have them in all the different ones, but pretty cool stuff. Actually nice. It might be a little bit warm in the Florida heat though.
I came to rescue you, Harry Potter. That's why I'm gonna hurt you. To keep you from getting died, for keeping you from being dying.
Okay.
I can do the eyeball thing now.
I like those lanyards.
I do. Man, they look great.
How much are those?
They?
$14. I see it up on top. Yeah, and $1 for the pouch. $27 for the Universal shirts. $25 for that. $30 for that shirt. I'm gonna have to get that one for sure.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
I like it. I like the Cabana Bay stuff. How much is this? $40. Not too bad. $65 for that one. Joe said he had to have it, so he's gonna have it. And if you've forgotten your swimwear or just want something that's a little bit different, they've got a lot of great choices here. I love those. Lots of choices of shades. And for those wild rides, got the little croakies to keep your glasses from flying off. And if you've forgotten your charger, they even have that. So of course they've got the really nice beds. Very super comfortable. We have an awesome view actually. That's so cool. That is really neat. There is so much to do here. Our bus driver was amazing for the Superstar Shuttle. He was so fun and entertaining. I absolutely loved talking with him. First, we've got the little table and chairs, obviously. Got the little coffee maker. It's a small one. It will work just fine. And down here, we've got the little mini fridge. That'll pretty much hold anything that we want to bring back. A lot of room. I like these reading lights that are right beside the bed. That's pretty cool. Everything's so retro. I'm looking around. I'm not really finding USB ports. I'm not finding USB ports in here. I know that they want to go retro, but today's society, we need a place to plug in. So here is the storage over here by the entry. You got your standard wall safe there, an iron, of course your luggage rack, and then an ironing board. Plenty of space to hang up anything that you don't want to get wrinkled. And then in here we've got a super nice bathroom. Gary's trying to sneak out. Hello. Really, really nice. We got a couple drawers over here. I am a neat freak. I don't want to see toiletries, makeup, any of that kind of stuff sitting out. It makes me insane. I can't handle that. So I like the fact that they have those drawers. And a huge bathroom area. My gosh, I can't believe how huge that area is. Definitely has a nice retro feel to it. Of course, they said right now for COVID, they aren't cleaning the rooms every single day, but we're staying here for quite a little while. So they said if we want a clean to be done maybe halfway through, they will go ahead and do that. All we have to do is contact them and they will send somebody up and get things cleaned up for us. Maybe even give us some additional towels or shampoos or whatever it is that we need. One thing I noticed as a woman is they don't have one of the Zoom mirrors for doing makeup. So you ladies out there that need to have that so that you can do your makeup in the morning, you probably want to bring your own mirror because there isn't one that exists. If I don't have my glasses on, I can't see to do my makeup, but I can't put my glasses on to do makeup. So I did see in a review that they didn't have one, so I actually packed a mirror and brought it with me. And my makeup probably looks amazing right now because I've been traveling and it's like 3 o'clock in the morning or something. Super pretty, very affordable. We were blown away at the price and pleasantly surprised by it. If you're new to this channel, please hit that like and subscribe and ring bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest. Also, please don't forget to check out some of our other great videos we have on the rides, the resorts, the Skyliner rides, car shows, day trips, outdoor pizza oven videos, and now Universal Studios and Islands of Adventures. Thank you so much for watching.
Check out their channel. It's Christina, Mark, and Teddy on Hammocks Coasters. Get out! Don't fall!